Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today's gonna be kind of boring because it's like raining so bad here. And it's just like a gross day, but I'm like, why don't I just film like a gross day vlog so that you guys can see what I do on just a day that's yucky? Because yesterday I had such a big day of filming and campaigns and everything, so today's just more chill. I'm at the gym right now. I'm about to head in, but I thought I'd start the video here because I need to make an intro. So we're gonna go do a workout. I'll film some of that for you guys, and then we are gonna film today, so obviously I'll show you guys doing all of that, but then the rest of the day is gonna be pretty chill. So yeah, let's get on to it. I left my AirPods at home. Okay guys, I just finished the gym. You can probably barely even hear me because the rain is insane. But KFC is so busy. I've never seen it this busy in my life. I'm literally just coming to get chips because I'm filming like a ranking the chips today. So I just went to Macca's, but that line like went so fast so I didn't have time to film. But I've got those fries and I've got the heater on, so the chips should stay warm hopefully. But all the places I'm going are quite close to each other, so I can just go home and like film straight away. I'm so excited because once I finish filming, I think I just want like a little like movie day or something today, because there's a movie that I've been wanting to watch for so long, and it's just such a rainy day, and I meant to have competition tonight, but I feel like it might be rained out because, well, it depends really how much rain we get. I haven't really looked at the radar, but I feel like it was meant to be almost 20 mil. Okay, time for me to order. Hi, could I just get a small chips?
A small chip?
Yeah, that's it, thanks.
No worries, $2.95.
Awesome, thank you. Success. Okay, I'm now at Red Rooster.
Alright, what can I get for you?
Hi, could I just get a regular chips?
A regular chip?
Yeah,
No worries, was that all?
that's it, thanks.
Yep, just grab one through.
Awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so awkward. This is the chick who served me yesterday because yesterday I did a campaign for Red Rooster. And now she's here again. She's gonna think that that's all I eat. It's basically I love Red Rooster. Red Rooster has my heart. But it's so embarrassing. She's like training as well because she didn't know what she was doing yesterday. But it was so cute. I am so tired today, and it's pouring rain. I can't wait to be inside. I'm just exhausted. Except I did really well. I did a lot on the treadmill. I mean, the elliptical. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've got all the bags. I did 4 different places. Okay, I just finished filming my TikTok video. I still look a bit crazy and orange, but that's okay because at least it looked good on my like TikTok page. But anyways, I'm gonna go make some guacamole because my mum and I are gonna have some guacamole with our dinner tonight. Well, I look too dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna go make some like a massive batch of guac because who doesn't love guac? Look how many avos we have to make this guac. And a lemon. Okay, whilst I'm cooking, I'm gonna light some candles. This is the Christmas cookie one. Thumbnail. There we go.
I can't find the lids, so I'm just gonna wrap them with some Glad wrap. And they are ready to go.
Hello. I just made like this. It's like this healthy mint hot chocolate thing. I got it from the Royal Melbourne Show. And I haven't just had like a hot one yet, but I think it's really hot because I boiled the kettle. I'm too scared to burn myself. I am responding to all my emails right now. It was actually crazy. Someone emailed me as soon as I got on to respond to emails. So then theirs like popped up first and then I responded to them and they're like, wow, speedy response. And I'm like, that's me. Is my watch telling me to walk? I've literally done so much gym today. You can just relax. Guys, it's pouring. Like really bad. Okay. So holy cow. This is worse than when it flooded the other day. Holy cow. Okay guys, it's literally pouring. So although that's bad because I like playing tennis, I am going to stay. Okay, I'm going to put a hair mask in because I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, wash off my fake tan, and then like re-fake tan probably before bed. I can't be bothered to have fake tan on right now, so we'll do it before bed. Also cannot be bothered to have all that like terrible makeup I put on before, but it is no joke like pouring. Like you don't even understand. I'm just gonna put some toner on this like thing and take it off. It's not gonna take all of it off. Oh, when I was making the guac before I got it on my jumper. Okay, now I need to put some water in my hair so that I can put a hair mask on and it will like stick to it nicely. Okay, I just wet my hair and cleaned my face in the bathroom. I'm just gonna put you guys like this because it was so hard to get you guys to stay before. You don't need it soaking, just so it's like a little wet, but also you don't want it, you want to make sure all strands are like a little bit wet. Anyway, this is my favorite hair mask. It's the Pure one. Smells amazing, works amazing. It's honestly just like literally godlike, like it's on a new level. But you can use any hair masks. Most hair masks are pretty good, but this is just my favorite one. Literally all I do is either plait my hair or put it in a bun. I might just plait it today because I feel like it's gonna get super knotty if I put it in a bun right now. But like I love when my hair is so silky. Grab some oil, put it all through your hair. I find this works better on dry hair if I'm completely honest. But I just put a little bit in while my hair masks are in because it's not going to be bad for your hair. That's how I do my hair. Now I'm going to watch a movie finally because I keep saying I will, but then when I do emails, I'm like work, and I can't get in like movie mode. So now I'm going to go in movie mode. Guys, I've just had a shower and tanned, and I also ate dinner. So now I'm literally just like ready for bed. And I think I'm finally going to watch a movie because I never got around to it because I was answering so many emails and I just got so caught up. And yeah, then it was dinner time, and then yeah, but it's like really cold, like I'm freezing. But I'm just laying in bed and I'm gonna choose a movie, so I'll show you guys that. But I think I know what I want to watch already, but we'll have a look. So yeah, guys, what's the time? It's 9:22 and I'm only just watching the movie, and I've literally wanted to watch a movie since like 1 p.m. but that's okay, we're getting here. It's loading and it's taking forever because my Wi-Fi is so bad. The rain just cooked it. Oh, I'm getting tired too, but I reckon I can last. It's only an hour and 19 minutes, which isn't long. But if you know anything about me, I literally fall asleep within the first 10 minutes of any movie. Hopefully it's not sad. Because I have tan on my face and it's gonna go really bad. And I'm pretty sure it's meant to be sad. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna actually have to like cry onto my hands. I cry so easily. I'm so excited though. Oh. Yeah, so this is the movie that I wanted to watch. So I think I'm gonna watch it, but hopefully it's good. That's a very inappropriate start to the start of the movie. I like the music. Oh, they're like setting the scene. Okay, I'm gonna go watch my movie. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm about to head off to the gym. I just wanted to end this video because I forgot to last night because I watched my movie and then fell asleep. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, goodbye.